What's going on, bro?
What's going on?
I see you got your GoPro too?
Yeah, I have the second one.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's funny, man.
What is that thing?
It's a Yamaha Warrior.
It's nice.
Yeah, thanks, man.
I dig it.
I just put a brand new tire in the back.
Where do you go?
Huh?
Where do you go?
Right now?
Yeah.
Just to a friend's house. I'm going home now.
Like, to get it done.
Oh, to South Florida Choppers.
Oh, okay.
That's where I put the tire on, but I put the wheel back on myself.
Oh,
Like I work on the whole bike myself, you know.
I got you. Very nice.
Cool, man. Thanks, buddy. Hey, you vlogging too?
Huh?
Are you on YouTube?
I just have it for insurance. Yeah.
Okay, hey, listen, man. I'm recording you right now, so I'm gonna put you on my channel.
That's good.
It's gdwarrior.
Okay.
You got it, man. You too, buddy. Missed the fucking gear. Oh, he's flying. I just missed the fucking gear.
I do it all the time.
Huh?
I do it all the time.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Fucking 1000cc fucking thing. Let him fly like a bird. That's a fucking fast motherfucker right there. Fuck, man. How many cc's is that thing?
1,000.
It's a 1000, right? Yeah, that was fucking fast, man. What is that? Kawasaki?
It's a Honda.
Honda? Nice. CBR?
Yeah.
Nice. Cool.
She's old, but she goes.
What?
She's old, but she goes.
Oh yeah, of course.